Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to set up calls from website Google Ads conversion. So this would be the updated video of Google Ads conversion tracking for calls from website. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we are going to be using this landing page for setting up calls from website Google Ads conversion. So you will see a visible phone number available here. So for example, if someone comes to this landing page using Google Ads and try to call this number, then we want to track this as one of our Google Ads conversions. Okay. So first of all, I need to set up Google Tag Manager for this website, which I already did. You can see over here, I have set up Google Tag Manager account and additional two tags. This is conversion linker and Google tag for Google Ads for this website. So let me preview this whether the GTM is connected or not. So you will see tag assistant connected and these two tags are firing. Okay, perfect. Now we're ready to set up Google Ads calls from website conversion. Okay, so we're going to be using this account for setting up Google Ads calls from website conversion. So first of all, we need to navigate to the goals sections, and from goals, we'll see an option called conversions. Then we're going to be clicking on this summary section. Okay, just wait a little bit. Now I'm going to click on new conversion action. So as we are going to be setting up conversions from Google Ads, so I'm going to deselect this option because we are not going to be selecting conversion on our website. We are going to be selecting conversions from phone calls. Okay, so it is selected. Now I'll click on save and continue. Then I'm going to be selecting one of the categories. Okay, so purchase, sign up, subscribe, then phone call leads. So in our case, it will fit phone call lead. So I'm gonna click on it and I'll click on create conversions. Then I'll be selecting calls from website because calls from ads is basically call extension or call assets. So I'm gonna be selecting calls from website visits. Then define your event. You have two options available here. Someone calls a number shown on your website, someone make a call by clicking a number on your website. So for our case, we are going to be setting up this option. Okay, then you need to select your countries. Okay, so we are going to be selecting USA. Okay, and we need to provide the phone number. So you can see over here, you need to provide your business phone number. Okay, enter the phone number that callers should receive when they call from your website. So my business number is this one. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this phone number and paste it over here. And here you need to provide the displayed phone number on your website. You can read the text. Enter the phone number that people see currently on your website, and that should be replaced by Google forwarding number. Okay, so displayed phone number is also the same. We're going to be using this number. Okay, then I'll click on use this event. Okay, just wait a little bit. Now you can edit the settings. Okay, like if you want, you can change the conversion name. Okay, so I'm gonna change the conversion name uh as calls from website conversion. Then I can remove call from here. Perfect. Then use the same value. Okay, then as the count, I'm gonna be selecting one US displayed phone number and call length. If you want, you can customize the call length. Like if you want, you can make it 30 seconds, 90 seconds as per your requirements. So I'll keep it as 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna click on save and continue. Okay, then you can see over here previously we had three options available here, like set up a Google tag, email instruction to your webmaster, and we had Google Tag Manager options. But currently we don't have this option. So what we can do? So let me click on finish from here. Then we're gonna be selecting this conversion action. Okay, so let's go to the tag setup. Then we don't have the tag manager option here because of the Google update. Okay, so what we can do is we can click on this option, install the tag yourself. Then you will see this is the Google tag and this is the phone snippet. And on the phone snippets, we have this one is our conversion ID and this one is our conversion label. So you can use this one as the conversion ID and this one as the conversion label. Okay, so let's do that. So let me create a tag for this one, calls from website conversion. Okay, calls from website conversion, tag configuration would be Google Ads call from website. Then you need to provide the displayed phone number. So I had already copied the phone number. Let me use it over here. Okay. Then we need to provide conversion ID and conversion labels. So this one is actually the conversion. Let me copy the whole thing from here. Okay. So this one is basically the conversion ID. So I'm going to copy the conversion ID from here. So this is the conversion ID. So I need to remove AW. Okay, perfect. And this one is actually the conversion label. So I'm going to use this one as the conversion label, and as the triggering, I'll be using it as all pages. Okay, then I'll hit save. So we have successfully set up calls from website conversion. So let's verify whether it is working or not. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the preview section. Okay, I'll enter the website URL and hit connect. Okay, so tag assistant connected. Then you can see calls from website conversion has fired one time. So there is an way to check whether the uh, Google Ads calls from website conversion is properly working or not. So for that, I need to write uh, hash Google dash WCC dash debug, and I'll hit enter. I'll refresh the screen. Then you will see attempting to auto replace. Okay, so if I click on force, then this number will be replaced by 999999999 by this number. So if we see this number is replaced by 99999, then the calls from website conversion is working properly. So let me click on force. Then you can see it has been replaced by 999999999. That means it is working properly. Okay, so by this way you can verify whether the call forwarding number is working or not. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel follow our page. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.